My audience targeting ads are just not working. Hey, and welcome back to the channel. This is a reply that I get very often when I'm mentioning the new audience targeting feature, which Amazon just released super secretly. They just released it in the ad console. And in today's video, I want to answer that simple question on why this setting might not be working for you. Let's start right away. First, we are going to set up a sponsored products campaign. You will select the campaign type sponsored product, and then you click on create. Next, we are brought to the ad group section. You can name your ad group. For us at ScaleWave, we found it more helpful if we're not going to change at all the ad group name, because this is going to be a qualifier for us whenever we want to optimize bids. So if the ad group name is there by default, as Amazon gives it, and the date is there, that is going to be a good hint for us of which are the new campaigns that have been part of new strategies that we're creating, so we're leaving them just as they are. Again, you can change the name, and then when you come to the sites option, you're going to select here Amazon. Ads appear on Amazon. Next, you're going to choose the products that you're going to advertise. We are going to select products that are within the same price range and they are very similar. Now, when it comes down to a really good campaign structure, the way how we like to structure products is we're going to select one product per campaign, and then we are going to target one specific match type. For example, if we are going to sell socks, we have 5 different colors. All the colors are $10. We're going to add them within the same campaign. Then we will see from that campaign which variation performs best, and then we are going to leave only that variation working. So we are going to bring traffic to the bestseller product. Now, in other scenarios, whenever we have price gaps, for example, we have the 1-pack that is $10. We might have a 2-pack, 3-pack, 5-pack even that is $20, $30, $50. So in that case, we are never going to add the same products within the same campaign, because then the break-even ACoS for the 2 products is going to be different. In this case, let's say we have the purple that is the 1-pack that is $10, and we have the purple that is 5 packs and it's $50. In that case, as you can see, from $10 to $50, there's a huge difference. So in that case, what we would be doing is all the color variation that have very similar price range, maybe $1 more or less, but very similar, ideally exactly the same, we would group them within the same campaign. Next, we're coming to targeting. We are going to select automatic targeting. Next, we're being prompted these 2 optional fields, the negative keyword targeting and negative product targeting. The best would be for you to know these keywords and products that you don't want to target in your auto campaign. You can download 30 days, 65 days search term report and look for specific keywords or products that you're never converting on. Those are going to go within these fields that are super specific to the product that you are selling. So in this scenario, if we're going to create a campaign for our socks, any keywords or any products related to top tanks will not be added here, but anything that is related to socks that never converted or it's highly improbable to convert, you would add this here. I also created a super in-depth video on how to take your search term reports, go through this analysis tool, and quickly find these terms. I'm going to link it at the end of the video. Next, we're going to select the campaign structure when it comes down to bidding strategy. So right now, if you're logged into your Amazon seller account and you are following me step by step, you will see that you're prompting the dynamic bids up and down. This is the default by Amazon. So that is something that you would need to change to dynamic bids down only. Next is the bid adjustment section, and here right now you're going to say placements. You would need to click on audiences. Once you've done that, the default is don't increase bids for an audience. You would select the increase bids for audiences built by Amazon. Once done there, you're going to be prompted to select from these options. Clicked or added brand products to cart, purchase brand products, high interest based on shopping history. So these are the audiences that Amazon has. Quick caveat, if you already have set up Amazon AMC, this is also where the audiences will show up. If you don't have it set up, do not worry, nothing is going to showcase here, but if you do have AMC, it will show up with an AMC in front. So in this scenario, what we did, we selected our brand's product to cart, and then also we added a 20% placement increasement. The next section is going to be settings. Here you're prompted to add your campaign name, choose a portfolio, start date, end date, daily budget. What we love to do is ScaleWave for each campaign. For example, if this is a sponsored product auto match, we would add the sponsored product auto match and also all targetings are active. If we would have created only a close match or complements or loose match or substitutes campaigns, we would add that also within the campaign. Last but not least, here do ensure that nothing is being checked. On some accounts, this is already pre-selected, so do ensure that nothing is selected here. Once you're done with that, you would click on Launch Campaign. And there you have it, you set up your very first sponsored product campaign that is audience targeting. Now let's get into troubleshooting. Something that I'm seeing when it comes down to why would a campaign not perform is this specifically. What we would do here, we would open up the specific campaign that we created. So here it is the campaign that we created, and then we go to bid adjustments. Once there, we're going to click on audiences. Once you see the audiences, this is exactly what is going to tell you if your current setup is properly set up to achieve, which is increase your impressions and clicks and all the outcome for clicked on edit brand products or not. You will see that we have a campaign total is basically referring to this. So top of search, rest of search, and product pages. This is something that comes already within Amazon. Now, just because you selected audiences, there's no guarantee that you're going to show up on the audiences section. We created the campaign on the 16th. Today is the 23rd. So already a few days passed by. We have to increase the bid adjustment until we start seeing clicks, spend, and hopefully orders and sales in this section. Wanted to create this quick video because I hear often that these campaigns are not working at all. The truth is that most of the time what we've seen on our end whenever someone claimed that these campaigns are not working is that when we came to the audiences section, they did not spend at all on the audiences section. Certainly hope that you found value in this video. If you did, also please check out this other video that is going to showcase you exactly how to take all the search terms that work for you and maybe create one more of these sponsored product campaigns, but that time a broad match with all the keywords that already work for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, smash the like button. Take care.